What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. We are at Orlando Speed World. Like always, it's windy. I'm trying to hide behind this big ass ambulance. We got Rob here. This is the rematch today. I get to run Rob. Get some noise. Last time we came, we went 1-1. I ran it the second time, but Supra was definitely faster. This time he's got a JB4. He says he doesn't have corn in the car, but I'm not sure. So anyways, we're out here, we're gonna have fun. There's barely any cars. Should be awesome if they start, you know, when they're supposed to start. There's barely any cars. So hopefully we get some runs in, we have some fun. I don't get gapped by too much. I did some changes to the car. We'll talk about that at the end, but right now we're just gonna race, have fun. See you guys in a bit. The AC on. Shit. Hi. Thank you. 12:0 at 116. Hell yeah. Let's see what Rob got to say. Say he spun. You spin?
Yeah, nigga didn't give me a fucking chance. Like, I didn't even get onto my RPM, and the light was gone. I had to go.
Oh, I roll. Once I saw your light going, I kind of like moved.
Yeah, but I had to turn the camera on.
Oh, come on, move. This car coming. So I'll let him stage up next time a little better. We got the first run in. It's super loud, but we got the first run in. Got the 12:0 at 116, so I definitely gained 0.2 from last time. 0.3 because I ran more 12.3 than anything. And then from 114 I went to 116. Rob, he's still got to work and see what's going on with the JB4. I'm gonna give him more time this time. I'm gonna give it some time to get on the city lights so we can brake boost, and hopefully that changes the outcome. So we're gonna find out and see what's going on, because the car makes 6 to 8 pounds more boost, so it should be faster. So we'll see what's going on, because the mile per hour is even down. So we'll see what's gonna happen. 242, homie. 242. Thank you. Damn it. 12.0. at 115, so I went slower with traction control all the way off. But I did a 1.7 60 foot. I think I staged too far back. Crap. But then I pushed to the brakes. So Rob actually went slower, 12.4, 102. 1.8 60 foot means he's not really spinning. I don't think so. So I don't know. Something wrong with that JB4. But I'll show you when we stop in a minute.
Yeah.
No, but he's having issues. No, he took off faster than last time, but he's having issues because he's like, look, 102.
My throttle cut off and I went into 50. I have no idea.
This kind of sucks. This thing needs to run. This thing needs to run at 11 something so I can feel good about myself.
Look at my throttle. Out of the gate, I dropped throttle, and then over here, look, I dropped completely throttle. And then I went back up, and then it went into 50. I have no idea why.
What's the different maps? If you try a different map.
Oh, look at the rest of the throttle right here. Look at all the
Oh yeah.
changes.
What's the difference if you change try a different map to see what's going on? So 1206, 115.8, so almost 116, almost about the same.
Sir, why are you so slow?
I'm always slow. All right, so Rob's car is having trouble. His throttle keeps closing. You see it on the logs from the day before. He emailed them. Let's see if we get a response for them. But if not, he's gonna switch maps to maybe a little bit less boost. I guess instead of 6 pounds, he's gonna go 4 pounds and see if it makes any difference. So we're gonna give it a try here one more time and let's see what happens. Hopefully the car runs good. I was kind of excited to see on that first run I was on track. The suspension is staying on tour the whole time, and then traction control was on competitive mode. On the second run I turned traction control all the way off and it didn't spin, so we're gonna do that this time. We're gonna be on track mode, traction control all the way off. I kind of want to paddle shift it since this is the last time we're running. I don't think if he doesn't get a good pass, he's not running anymore. So I want to get that 11.9, so I'm going to try to paddle shift it, see if I can ring it a little longer because I'm at 12.0, 116, 12.0, 115.8, which is 116. So let's see what happens on the next run. couldn't pedal it. I had a different Supra with a drag pack next to me, so. My son's an asshole. He sent me a rest in peace. Fuck you. Let's see, let's see.
There you go.
Thank you. This wasn't me. Alright, so I got my third run in. Hold on. I got my third run in and I ran a 12.01 at 119. So I went from 114 last time that I was here to 116 today, and then the last run, because it got a little cooler, to 119. And I still had traction halfway off, not all the way. So I got in line because it looked like it was going to rain. A lot of cars left, and so I got in line. It's getting cooler. Hopefully I can get that 11.9. I'm gonna pedal it. F it. Let's see what happens. All right, so as you can see, I got 3 runs in, and I stayed. Rob left because he was having issues with the car and the JB4 and the tuner and all that. So, but it was getting cooler, it was getting nicer, and I stayed. Everybody went, the bikes went, and when the street cars started to go, it poured down and they closed it. So I didn't get my 4th run in. All right, so I'm back home. We got rained out on the last run. Car looks amazing, ran good. Had 3 runs in, 2 of them with Rob. The last one, we didn't put us together because they were trying to get everybody through before it started raining. And it didn't end up raining, so I was able to stay there and tried it one more time. But I ran 3 12.0s, one of them at 116, then 115.8. And then the last one was at 119 when the DA got really good. And I didn't even turn the traction control all the way off on that last one. So that's why I wanted to stay when it didn't rain and get that 4th run in, because the DA was dropping as good as it can get right now in the summer. But right before the street cars were gonna start going again, it started raining and they canceled. So I'm not even gonna chase that 11.9 stock, because I'm putting the wind back on, it's not coming back off. The passenger seat's going back on, it's not coming back off. I did it today because Rob was gonna be on the JB4 and he was obviously gonna be way faster. That he was already faster than my car. I was just able to take off, you know, quicker off the line. So I know he was gonna be faster. So if I did those little changes and I ran better, and I did run better, you know, I went from a 12.3 from last time to this time to a 12.0. So if he would have dipped into the 11s, but he still would have spun, he was slow off the line, maybe I could still beat him, you know. But unfortunately he was having troubles with the JB4, and I don't know, the throttle kept cutting off, and every time he ran slower. Or like he went 12.3, 12.4, and 12.3, but in the 12.4 the mile per hour was like 104. It went down like 10 miles per hour. So yeah, he's having issues with the car. But so far I'm happy with the car. 12.0 at 119. I wish I could have gotten that 11.9. We'll try it later when it gets cold. I mean, I don't know if by then I'll have a tune. We'll see what happens with the car. And that car right there is beautiful. You'll get to see that car soon. It's on the other side. It's on the other side. But yeah, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to see what's coming up next. Soon you'll see what car's on that side and what else is gonna come for us and having fun. So yeah, let us know what you think in the comments about the runs. Oh, I love the wheels. Love the wheels. See y'all next time. Peace.